Real kind of an interesting, cool knife. I actually found it at a pawn shop. It's a Swiss Army Old Cross, and it is the Electrician model. Instead of having the can opener, it has a sheep's foot blade with a wire stripper. It's actually really a cool knife. I was happy to put it into my collection. I don't collect a lot of stuff, but I knew this one was neat because of the old style cross, and its condition is really good. There is a certain amount of wear on the blade. It doesn't show up so much on that side as it does on this side, where you can see where it's been closed right along here. See just a little bit of wear, but it's never been sharpened. The tip is still good. It's been used, but as far as being like really beaten up, it's certainly not. I know they talk about the Big V over Victorinox. But what makes this one so fun is really all the stuff is in great shape. Springs are strong, closes on its own with a good snap. And goes on its own. Few scratches and dings. Overall, super nice. Not dirty, not messed up. On the screwdriver and the bottle opener, you can see there's a little bit of wear across the top and been used. Ultimately, there you go. Very, very nice. Thanks for watching.